Okay, hello. So by the time you see this video, I'll be in England. I'm going there for a few weeks for a holiday I've been very much looking forward to, and for the first time ever, I'm taking my art supplies with me too. I am planning on living out my Beatrix Potter dream of just sitting in the countryside with my watercolours and sketching on a hill somewhere. It's going to be perfect. Unless it's raining. I really hope it's not raining. But before I do go, I thought I'd show you what I'm taking with me. So this is my art bag. It's a handmade tote bag that was given to me as a gift, and it will be holding all my art supplies that I need, as well as anything extra like a drink bottle or an umbrella or food. Inside the tote bag I have three main things: my trusty pencil case, my watercolor palette, and also my sketchbook. I am really torn on whether to take two sketchbooks, as I don't have a lot of pages left on this one, but I'm really not sure yet. I guess we'll find out what future Anna decides. I know I have done a very in-depth video of what's in my pencil case before, and I will link that to this video, but if you haven't seen that, a quick rundown of what I will be taking. I'll be taking a very little sketchbook. I'll probably be using this as just some random drawing paper for the plane or the airport. Of course, I'll be taking some paper towel, and I do need to stock up on that before I leave. I'll also be taking a very small watercolor palette as well as my big one, only because my big one is quite, well, big, and sometimes it just sort of gets in the way. So the more compact one, it's very light, it doesn't add that much weight, so I thought, oh well, may as well take it. I've got my water jar with me, and of course I'll take my micron pens as well because I always do use them. And the bulldog clips as well. I'll also have my white pen because you never know when you need a white pen. Washi tape because you never know when you need washi tape. I was thinking of leaving out my pencils because I don't use them that often, but then I thought, well, if I suddenly feel like doing a pencil drawing and then they're not there, then I'll be a bit sad. So I'll take them anyway. They're probably going to be dead weight, but you never know. I've got a couple of paintbrushes, a pencil, and that's about the extent of my pencil case. My big watercolor palette that I'm taking is one that I got for Christmas, and it's got a lot more space than the little one. I can mix colors on the main base of the palette as well as the lid, so that's great. And the lid also has a bit of plastic that you can take out, so I guess I could have three areas if I really wanted to, but I'm not going to go that crazy. The colours that on my palette that I'm taking me are all Winsor & Newton ones, apart from one which is a Daniel Smith. So I'll put on the screen the actual specific names of the colours. I'm taking a black, brown, Payne's grey, a blue, it has the common specific name but it's escaped me, the Daniel Smith green colour, which I really like for plants, it's a nice deep mossy green, a red, yellow ochre, a lemony yellow, a general yellow, I like my yellows, and just a white as well. So they're the colours that I love using the most, and they should definitely keep me going, I think. And I've also got my Hahnemuhle sketchbook as well. So that's everything. Hopefully I'm not overpacking in terms of art supplies, but we'll soon find out, I suppose. I'll also be taking my camera and mini tripod for filming, so expect some great travel videos coming out of this one. I can't wait to edit those ones together. But for now, I'll get back to packing and I'll talk to you soon in another video. By the way, I'll probably be posting a bit on Instagram, so do feel free to follow me there if you want to see what I'm up to. And that's about it. Okay, bye for now.